this experiment is to study the adaptation of sea bass to temperature. So we have 3 strains of sea bass from the Atlantic, the West and the East Mediterranean, and they are all mixed in one common garden tank, and the different tanks are at different temperatures to simulate the environmental conditions of the Atlantic, the West Mediterranean and the East Mediterranean. So we will see if the different strains are adapted to their environment and then how they can cope with climate change. So these young sea bass, which are 5 months old, we are now tagging them to be able to follow them all along their life. And they are anesthetized so that they are not harmed when we inject the tag. These tags are called PIT tags. They are radio frequency tags, RFID. And so this electronic compound is put into a small glass tag. And when it's excited by a reader, it sends a unique number which allows the identification of the fish. And the price of one tag is approximately €1.
I'm reading the tag to have the identification of the fish. Then I'm measuring the length, the fork length, and so I give the fish to my colleague to have the weight.
We are punching the animals, the fish that have just been tagged. So we are collecting the caudal fin of the fish, and the samples are put into these microplates so that's to be used for DNA extraction. So we send these plates to our partner Jean from INRAE, and we expect to identify some strains of European sea bass that are better adapted to this variation, to explore their capability to go through those extreme events and to still grow under those conditions.
And we expect that if fish are in an environment that is to which they are not well adapted, they will expend more energy to maintain their homeostasis, and then when there will be a stress, we think they will cope in a less efficient way with that stress. So that's also a way, this experiment, to explore fish robustness.
Une fois que les poissons sont passés tout au long de la biométrie, on les met dans ce seau pour qu'ils puissent commencer à se réveiller tranquillement. Puis on les met dans ce bac où ils y vivront jusqu'à la prochaine biométrie.